Hey gamers, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to upgrade your gaming setup in 2023? Look no further, because we've got you covered. In this video, we will be showcasing the best gaming monitors that you can get your hands on this year. Whether you are a competitive gamer or just looking for a more immersive gaming experience, these monitors will take your gaming to the next level. We have included links in the description box, so sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the ultimate gaming monitors of 2023. Let's get started. At number 1 is LG Ultragear 34G P950G. The LG Ultragear 34G P950G has emerged as the new market leader. On this exhibit, magnificence may be found in every area. Your games can be seen in comfort on its large 34-inch display's dramatic 21:9 aspect ratio. You won't experience screen tearing, stuttering, coronas, or ghosting since it maintains sharpness at 3440 by 1440 and keeps your graphics crisp with a quick response time with NVIDIA G-Sync Ultimate. No matter what game you're playing, this display will keep you engrossed. This model from LG features a nano IPS display with dramatic color and a 10-bit color depth. The 600 nit peak brightness and HDR capabilities make the pictures really stand out. The monitor can display the vast DCI P3 color space with enough resolution. You will be astounded by the picture because these specifications outperform most displays on the market. Additionally, all of that graphic quality may run at 144 Hz or up to 180 Hz if you enable the overclocked mode. You may expect incredibly smooth gameplay. Even the RGB light ring on the rear of the monitor has content-responsive bias lighting. If your business is gaming, this monitor means business. At number 2 is Samsung Odyssey G7. If you don't think 4K is everything it's made out to be, keeping with 1440 will benefit you much. Your games will perform better at this resolution. Additionally, the 1440 display on the Samsung Odyssey G7 is strong and has a somewhat tight curve. Although that's a nice place to start for gaming, this monitor is equipped to handle any amount of graphic processing power you can throw at it thanks to a lightning-quick 240 Hz refresh rate. Those are the kinds of rates that 1080p monitors typically support. You can get those speeds, as well as a peak brightness of 600 nits and a 10-bit color depth. With the Odyssey G7, you'll be able to see a lot of frames, and each one will seem really good. Additionally, this display supports both G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro, so don't worry about tearing. Whatever you throw at it, it is ready to handle it. At number 3 is Asus TUF Gaming VG250 8QM. Despite the hype around 4K displays and the popularity of 1440 among gamers looking to balance price and visual quality, 1080p is still widely used. For $300, you can obtain a screen with a 280 Hz refresh rate that is overclockable, a 0.5 reaction time, and low input lag, making your games run as smoothly as hot butter. This is where the Asus TUF Gaming VG250 8QM shines. Additionally, you have G-Sync compatibility, which guarantees that your monitor and graphics card work well together. The 24.5-inch TN panel used by the Asus TUF Gaming VG250 8QM displays a 1080p image, and at 400 nits, it is plenty bright to allow for comfortable viewing. While gaming, a shadow enhance feature helps to reveal foes hiding in the shadows despite the poor contrast ratio. With a height-adjustable pivoting stand, 2 HDMI ports, and 1 display port for plenty of connectivity options, several other quality-of-life boxes can be checked as well. At number 4 is Asus TUF Gaming VG289 Kone. The Asus TUF Gaming is evidence that 4K doesn't always require exorbitant cost. You can get a lot more than just that excellent resolution for less than $300. The Asus TUF Gaming VG289 Kone supports a 10-bit color depth to display significantly more color shades than a regular monitor. First, we're talking about HDR. In order to make highlight shine, the IPS panel on this display also goes brighter than the average monitor. Additionally, it can increase shadows, making it easier for you to notice what's happening in your game's darker situations. This monitor only has a 60 Hz refresh rate. Thus, it might not be the best choice for competitive gaming, where a faster refresh rate can give an advantage. However, a 28-inch panel with excellent resolution will provide extraordinarily clear graphics so you can enjoy the detail and story modes. Additionally, the flawless 4K picture won't be ruined by screen tearing thanks to FreeSync support. At number 5 is ViewSonic Elite X G270QG. You'll adore the ViewSonic Elite X G270QG if you know you want a display with real G-Sync capability. With a 1440x resolution and a 27-inch screen, this monitor strikes the perfect spot. It provides clear views without placing the extreme strain that 4K visuals can on your graphics hardware. Additionally, you'll need that extra headroom from your graphics card to enable it to benefit from the 165 Hz refresh rate of this display. Additionally, this monitor's features go beyond gaming. Its vibrant display, which can support up to 1.7 billion colors and sufficiently encompasses the sRGB, Adobe RGB, and DCI-P3 color spaces to provide a superb visual experience regardless of what you're doing, is to blame for this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.